Hello! Today I will show you how to cook a delicious chicken on the oven. First, we cut the bottom of the chicken. For the sauce, we use half a cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 3 cloves of garlic. After mixing well, we apply it all over the chicken and rub it well. Then we put the chicken in the fridge for half an hour. While keeping the chicken in the fridge for half an hour, we prepare potatoes and tomatoes next to it. We also add the remaining sauce on top of the potatoes. This makes our potatoes more delicious, and there was already too much sauce left anyway. Then we put the chicken, potatoes and tomatoes on a tray with baking paper on it. This is what it looks like after cooking. Bon appetit to everyone!